Hey YouTube, it's Katana Attack. I'm back with part 2 of the hood repair on the 1968 Ford Torino GT, aka Ridge Runner. Alright, I've got this part right here already cut out. Let's see. Yep, got this part here already taken out and got it cleaned up best I could. And I've got my hood pieces here. Took them down to the grinder, cleaned them with a brake cleaner, and I scuffed them up real good. And I'm going to take a piece of metal and score this a little bit. That way it'll give that JB Weld something to lock into. So let me get it mixed up and put you on hold, and I'll mix up a batch of JB. Alright, got me some JB Weld mixed up here. Get a little bit on the stick here. Put a nice big old glob of it right there. I'm sorry. Yep. It's difficult trying to hold this phone and do everything all by yourself here. Alright. Yeah. Make sure I got these right. Yeah. I'm gonna put you on pause again. Kind of hard to do this with one hand here. All right, I had to make up another batch. This JB Weld apparently need about 2 tubes of it. Get this piece in here. Sit down there just like that. Yeah, I'll put you on pause again. Sorry, folks. All right, so there we go, folks. I'm sorry about those delays and everything, but we got the piece back in place, and I did end up using about 2.5 tubes of JB Weld just to make sure I had enough on top piece and the bottom piece. And where it's pushing out here, I'm going to take my mixing stick and try to get where it act like a key almost and help hold on to this. That's good. All right. So now all I want to do is let this sit. I think it set for 24 hours, and then I'll come back and take my hammer and smash down some of these pieces that's sticking up. And then I'll hit it with a wire brush, clean up this area. Probably pack some aluminum foil up in here and then go over it with a little bit of Bondo and sand it down, make it pretty, then give it a good paint job, and hopefully this thing will hold. I'm sure it will, because as I said, I've used JB Weld before and it hadn't let me down yet. So we'll get this thing back together and get it put back on the Ridge Runner, and the Ridge Runner will ride again. God save the South.